Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chama Trades and it's another week of traders update. So as usual, we are going to do some few analysis on the couple of pairs. The one week we analyzed the previous week, the one we are in, and also we are going to predict what we are going to take on the coming week. So let's go back to the charts. We are going to start with the DXY on daily time frame. As you remember very clearly on the previous week, we analyzed this pair and we are expecting that this pair at least may come to this level so that it can grab all the liquidity before heading for a sale. But that's not the case because the market has left us with this gap around here. So it does not clearly touch this area, which is the resistance zone. But on the other hand, the market break, you can see this is a trend line, the second touch here, the third touch here. So the market has broke this trend line and now is heading to the south. So what I'm expecting to see on DXY, as you can remember very well, this is a support zone. So first thing that I'm expecting this market to drop to this support zone before now knowing the direction that it will take from that area. Another thing that I'm expecting to see from this pair, as you can see very clearly, we have a trend line. I can draw very clearly to touch all sides. We have a trend line. You can see the market respected here, respected here, respected here. So the next thing that can happen around here, the market also might respect this area because you can see the market is exactly at that area. The market is exactly at that trend line. So it can break to the top so that it can fill this space around here before now coming back or going up. Now the second, that's what I'm expecting next, is the results that will happen around this area. If the market will break it from the top or the market will break. Now, if the market break this here, now I will know for sure now the market is on a bearish because the market will break around here, retest, then came to this area. So these are the two things that I'm expecting it to happen on the XY. Now, so we have the direction for that one. Now let's go back to another pair and start analyzing so that we can know the movement or what we expected for this coming week. So this is GBP USD, this is GU. As you know very clearly, we have the first touch here and the second touch here. These are the two resistance. The market break this trend line. You can see we have a trend line here. The market break the trend line and retested to the trend line. We have our yellow zone around here, which show us that the market has reached the 50 to 60% ratio. But I did not enter this trade. Let me tell you why. Now let's go to 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and draw clearly our yellow zone. Now that's our yellow zone. As you always know, when the market is at my yellow zone, I normally sell. But before I sell, I normally, first of all, I look for one thing. And that thing is break of counter trend line. Before any movement. So as you can see clearly, this was the first touch around here. This was the second touch. And now this is the third touch of my trend line. So for me to enter any trade, the market must show me, first of all, reversal pattern around here. Then the second thing, the market has to break the counter trend line and close with the body around somewhere around here. So if the market break around here, now this is the place where I will enter my trade, maybe from here, then my stop loss around there, then my TP. Now this is how now the way I will enter the trade. But in case of this scenario, let me now show you. This was supposed to be the third touch, and this was supposed to be the area where the market break the trend line and move to the downside. But as you can see very clearly, the market continue and respected my third touch, small third touch around here. The market continue with the bias. So for now, I'm not interested in here. Let's now see where I'm more interested. Now, what I'm waiting to see maybe to happen next so that I can enter GBP USD. I'm waiting to see the reaction around this area, because now I want the market to come and touch this area so that we can have triple top, 1, 2, 3. Then when we have a triple top around here, then I can continue with the sellers or the buyers. So this is what I want to see to happen. But also it determine with the, let's go back. It also determine with DXY. If DXY respected this area and start to buy, then that means that I will also look upon this area, what will happen around this area, and start looking for a sell, because DXY and GBP USD, they don't move in the same direction. They move in different direction. Then that's all for GBP USD. So I'm not expecting any trade soon. First of all, let it rebuild itself and give me a clear direction. Then I can come for that one. So the next pair also that I want to handle a little bit, this one is Euro NZD. I analyzed this pair previously. So this is the first touch, second touch, third touch. This is my trend line. The market has break my trend line. As you can see now, the market is retesting. It's coming in a form of a corrective manner. So when the market reach in my yellow box around here, then I will look for a buy to the top side. So for now, I'm not in this trade. What I'm waiting to see, I'm waiting this market to retest or to pull back to my yellow zone so that I can take that trade. Now that's all about Euro NZD. So the next pair now, it's Euro, is NZD USD. New Zealand dollar. This is what I'm expecting. As you can see, all the confluence has achieved. It has achieved all the confluence. First of all, we have a resistance zone. The market has break my trend line. Now the market is resisting, is now on my area. Let's go to 4 hour. You can see very clearly on 4 hour, my yellow zone, the market is already on my yellow zone, and we have a trend line here. First touch, second touch, third touch. So for me to take this trade, first of all, I will look on DXY. Then the second thing, if the market break this area, is may come around in this area, then start to come, then break around here, then this is the way I will take the trade to the downside. So I'm waiting to see if the market will respect this small trend line or counter trend line, or it will break it on and show me that the market is now ready for a sale. So that's all that I'm waiting to see on NZD USD. Let's go again to another pair. This is odd NZD. Now the market is almost on my level. So, as usual, what I happen, I'm waiting to see next. I'm waiting to see the reaction around here. I'm waiting to see the reaction around here. I want the market to break this trend line to retest so that I can take this trade around this area when the market has already retested. So you can see very clearly this is a M formation. This is a neckline. This is a first leg, this is a second leg. So I'm waiting to see what will happen around this area, maybe for the coming week. Then I can take the buy or I can take the sell. So the another pair is out CHF. I did not take this trade, but you can see my confluence was very clear. You can see my confluence was very clear, especially this was a resistance zone. You can see it's now becoming a support zone. Now the market, when the market was around here, I told you guys I'm expecting to buy this market. But now this is the reason why I did not buy this market. After the market break it to around here, for my confluence, I expected a retracement to my yellow zone before now I enter for a buy. I normally wait for a retest before I enter for a buy. And you can see, as you can see clearly, that the market just went direct to my take profit. This was my take profit. The market just went direct to my take profit. Then it denied me to enter any trade, or there was no any retracement for that matter. So for that one, I leave that one like that one. I'm not going to take that trade because it has already left me. Now, another pair also that I want us to look upon, this is BTC. This is Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see very clearly, this is a level and this is a level. So this is a more important level. Another thing you can see this is there is a formation with this candlestick, which show you that this is like a doji, which show you that the market is changing direction. A long wick with a small like a hammer here. So this is the showing you that the market is changing direction. So what I'm expecting to see next, I'm expecting this market to break around here, retest to my zone, then I can take a buy to the top. Or if the market continue to sell, I will expect this market to do some few drop, then retest to my level, then I can take a sell. So that's what I'm expecting for BTC to happen for the coming week. Then the next thing, this is USD CHF. For when I start to analyze this, I've waited for this pair for a very long period of time. And you remember a few weeks ago, I told you I wanted to take this trade from here, but I fear what happened on gold. And also, as I know my strategy very well, I usually waited the market to come to my area. I don't want to enter the market earlier before it coming to my area. So if you have watched my previous video, I was supposed to take this trade from here, but I fear it because it does not enter. It's not coincide with my strategy. And the second thing, for the experience that I have in the market, this was a very small. It was a very small retracement. I want to see a very large pullback, a very good pullback before I enter any single trade. So the market happened exactly. So if I could have taken this trade around here, the market could give me this small profit, then retraced back and take me out. with maybe break even or a small profit. And as you can see very clearly, the market just reached my zone, my yellow zone, and break to the downside. So first of all, if I was watching for the first time, this is a resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. So this is a resistance area. Apart from that one, you can see very clearly, this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a shoulder, this is a neckline. So the market break this neckline, and now it's retesting to this neckline. Now I'm entering around here. Another thing that I want us to show, this is my yellow zone. As you can use your Fibonacci from the top here to the bottom around here, you can see the market is exactly at my yellow zone. So I'm on this trade. Let me take you to 4 hour. I'm already on this trade. I entered this trade around Thursday. I think that's around Thursday. Now you see very clearly, this is my counter trend line around here. Then the market break my counter trend line with a body. Now I entered this trade exactly at this area. For now, I'm in a small profit, but that doesn't matter for me. What I'm waiting to see now, I'm waiting to see, first of all, the reaction of DXY. And apart from that one, I will take my first take profit on this red line. My first red line, this is the way I will take my first take profit, and I will take my second take profit around this, the lower red line. So what I'm expecting, I'm in this trade, I'm expecting to see what the market will give me, if the market will retrace or the market will take me to the profit. So when the market is, I have this condition of the market, I normally don't care when I got when the market hit my stop loss or it might take profit, because for this matter or for this case, I have do all my analysis and I have respected all my setup and my strategy. So as you can see, this market is already respected all my strategy. So I don't care. I just leave it, the market the way it is, and wait to see how the market will perform, because now I have done my best on this. I have respected all the setup. So that's all on USDCHF. Those who took the trade with me, let's wait and see how the outcome will come. Then the last pair is Euro CAD. Euro CAD. Last pair is Euro CAD. Those who took EuroCAD this trade with me, I did not analyze it on YouTube, but I gave this signal on my Telegram channel. So if you have not yet in my Telegram channel, please go to my Telegram channel. The link is on my YouTube bio. Down there on on the YouTube description, you will find the link to the Telegram channel. So I sent this setup on Telegram channel. So why did I enter this trade? As you can see very clearly, we have a support here, we have a support here, and we have a support here. And you can see from the distance from the left also, we have a support here. The market has been respecting this area for a couple of times. So that was the first confluence. Now let's go back to 4 hour. Now on 4 hour, the market reached my zone. That's the first thing. The second thing, the market break my trend line. This was the touch. The market break my trend line. Another thing, the market retested to my yellow zone. If you can use this one Fibonacci tool, it will take you around here. The market respected my Fibonacci, my yellow zone. The third thing, the market came directly to, as you can see, I drew here my counter trend line, the market break. And when the market break, immediately I think I entered this trade on, I think 2 hour or 1 hour. I entered this trade on 1 hour. Yeah, I entered this trade on 1 hour. So As I saw this one, the market is out of my counter trend line. Now I enter this trade around here. And my first take profit is already out. As you always know, I take my first take profit at the higher high. So this is the way I took my first profit around here. Now the rest is break even. Now I'm waiting to see how the market will deliver itself, or the far the market will continue. But my target, my full target is around here. This is now my full target where I'm expecting the market to reach. But for now, already I have some profit on it. I have taken 50% of my profit. Now I left the 50% is break even. Now let's see if the market retraced and take me out, then I will have the 50% profit. But if the market continues to the upside, then I will earn more on that particular pair. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. So for those who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you can join my Telegram channel, so that if maybe something happened throughout the week or in between the week, we can also analyze together on my Telegram channel. So for this matter, thank you guys for watching.